Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change your phone call volume during the conversation on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now you can see here, if I open up my volume control center, I only have 4 different types of volume. Now during the call, you can also adjust the volume of the call, but that you can only do that during the call. So I'm just going to call myself right now. And then you can see that I will be able to change the call volume during the call. So I'm going to pick up this call right now. And now you can see during the call, if I press on the volume key and if I tap on the option button, now there is an additional volume bar. So in here, we can press on the volume down or volume up key. And then in here, you can adjust the call volume. So you got the system volume, notification volume, incoming count, ringtone volume, and this is an in-call volume. You can see here it's an in-call volume. So if I just adjust the in-call volume, it's an in-call volume right here. So that's how you can adjust the in-call volume during a conversation on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. And as soon as I hang up the call, you will see that I will not be able to adjust that volume calls anymore. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.